Hey guys, so I recently did this beautiful set on my nails at home, and you can do it in less than 30 minutes, and I want to show you how, so just keep watching. Here are the items that I used, and I will include them in the description below as well as on this next screen if you want a screenshot. Here's what the nail drill looks like outside of the box. To start off, I'm using my nail dehydrator. I got this one from Sally, but you could probably use any one. You just want to make sure that there are no oils on your hands. You want to make sure you're starting with clean, dry nails. And what I'm going to do is use the dehydrator for all of them and then use the nail file or nail drill. You can use either one, whatever you have, to just create a rough surface on the nails. I don't really have like much cuticle buildup or anything, so that's why you see me doing this here. And excuse my cat. But yeah, you just want to make sure that there's a rough surface on the nails for, the fake nails to adhere to. Now I'm getting my acrylic nails ready. I'm just fitting them to my nails and getting them all laid out and ready to go. And here you'll see that I'm shaping the nails with my nail drill. Because they're probably not going to come fitted to your nail, and you just want to make sure they fit well. And I'm also drilling the inside or filing the inside for the same reasons as earlier. You just want to make sure that your nails have a rough surface so that they can fuse, and I'm doing this to every single nail. Then once your nails are the shape that you want to smooth out the sides. That's very important because you don't want your sides to have like rough edges or to just look rough in general. You want them to look smooth. Next, I'm going in with my Aimeili base coat and top coat. I got this from Amazon and it was really affordable. No more than probably like $10. I think it was actually $8. But I'm going in with that base coat first, and y'all, this is so easy. You just take the base coat, a nice little layer. I like to put it on my fingernail just to ensure that I don't have like that excess kind of bleeding out on the sides. So once you have your nice coat on the nail bed, you want to press your nail onto it and press as hard as you can and put it under your heat lamp for about 60 seconds. This is a little hard to do. You will find some air bubbles with this type of machine, but they do have like the single nail machine that's not so hard to like stay pressing your nail under it. So I would recommend the single nail machine rather than a bigger machine that's hard to like put both of your hands under. But you just want to make sure that you're watching what's happening under there. You saw earlier I had to kind of like wipe a little bit off with a Q-tip. So just make sure you're paying attention. Keep your Q-tip with some acetone on deck in case you have to wipe off whatever bleeds out. But that's the whole process. You just put that base coat on and you press it as hard as you can, and then you get it under that heat lamp for up to 60 seconds per nail. Please do not over cure your nails. It can cause cancer. After prolonged use, you definitely want to watch how much you're using UV light. I wouldn't be a responsible person if I didn't tell you that. Be mindful, but this is how they look at a full set, a full hand. But now I'm just filing that little tip that you tend to see at the top of like press-on nails. I'm filing that little tip off of each nails and making sure they each look smooth. And now it's time to polish. This is my favorite part. I tried to find like some type of label on this, but it really doesn't have it. If you like this color, I got it from LA Colors. It's a pretty nude color that I really love. You can already see I've done my right hand already, and I'm just showing you how I did my left hand. I don't really like the brush that came with this polish because it leaves streaks. So be mindful of that if you do end up getting the same brand. But once I got my first layer on, I got it under there, and I really didn't want to do a second layer because like I said, I don't like to over cure. So I just did like a top coat. I went in with the top coat from the Aimeili brand after this, and you can see they look so good even before the top coat. They look amazing. But if you want like a little bit of extra shine, then consider going over with that top coat, and that will be the last, should be the last time that you cure it. But this top coat really makes sure that your polish, of course, does not chip, and it ensures longevity, because again, we want to try to get this to last for 2 weeks. And this is my third time doing this set in this method, and it definitely lasts me for over 2 weeks. I still have to like soak my nails off and stuff after the 2 weeks. So follow these steps and you will see some longevity in your nails and save you a bunch of money. So you can see I put that top coat on, put my hand under. This time I only put it under for about 45 seconds because I was starting to feel some tingliness. And this is the final result. I really loved how they came out. Very grown and sexy and clean girl cute. And for under 30 minutes, under $30. Try this out. Let me know what you think. As always, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more content.